back on the charts once more, episode number 4. So let's have a look at the daily. Yeah, I'm not quite sure where this is heading at the moment. Let's have a look at the weekly first. I don't really look at the weekly much. Most likely, not even daily sometimes, but 4 hour, H4. We can see a vlog coming out of my trades for last week. Yeah, last week, and one this week I did. Not that many trades, probably I've done a couple, which I think one was break even and 2 were winners. So I always follow my plan and my structure, which I trade off. Normally something like this. If it's a break below and it hits an order block, like a fair value gap here, if there is one, you know, just somewhere around there. So break, and normally I like to see something really much clear to me. It has to pop out something, something like this. Yeah, so it's like a. It has to like sort of mitigate, or I don't know. It doesn't look clear, if you ask me. So I'm just pretty much looking for some sort of rejection, something like this. Yeah, so it's been mitigated. Yeah, we have had a break of structure here. Pretty much looking up something around here. Yeah, so these setups that I'm drawing VOS and something like this, and then probably it will go down. If I look at the minute 30, looking for a nice clean gap, but I can't really see anything, so even on the minute 5, so there's no clear fair value gap. Yeah, so it's pretty much like an order block, so it could, something I'm looking at this one, or it could probably, reject that or go up. At this moment, this is not clear, so you have to wait probably, I don't know, Tuesday or Wednesday to see some sort of setup. But for now, I would leave this setup alone. But it does look quite nice, but at this stage it's just moving up. It had some sort of rejection probably on what was it, Friday. So yeah. Alright, British pound USD. Have a look at the weekly. Oh, my words are not coming out. So it is Mother's Day, so I have to go and see my mum. But that's the reason I'm doing it in a little bit of a hurry. We shouldn't rush it. I'm really dedicated and I quite like trading. It is like a passion and I like to learn. So I'm still learning a lot of ICT Mentorship 2022. I'm on the last video. So I'm reading the book from Lumi Traders. She's brilliant. I would advise you to get that book. It is ICT Model 2022. She's got everything on there. The diagrams, the lot. So I'm on chapter 61 on that one, going through it. Alright, so let's go back to the charts. British pound USD, about here. Some of these zones have been wicked out, and I don't really like order blocks which have been sort of gone through the order block, and then you have a nice clean green candle, which it can be, but it's not the best. It could be like that, or down, or we can have a BOS there, or it could go up. Recently I haven't been trading much pound USD. I don't know why. I just kind of not been much of a fan for the past couple of weeks. But if you look at it, look, it's been consolidating, so it's been pushing up, so it's more likely you might even push up. But if you look at the H4, like a daily, have a look at the daily. Yeah, it doesn't look that good, if you ask me. But you can go to a lower time frames and have a look. Pretty much. Yeah, so it's just been bullish for so long, but that's the reason I haven't been trading. So I couldn't really see. I think I traded it once or twice. It was somewhere around. It's on my Telegram. I can't remember. I have traded this a few times. It's been okay once. I just had a break even, but I couldn't see a clear setup. All right, let's have a look at the weekly here. Looks like it is, yeah, bullish. We can see a clean order block, which can be mitigated. One is there. If you look at a daily, so that's a daily high that I draw out, so it's been mitigated. So hit, gone up, pretty much. Oh, okay, hold on. I think I can see. Hold on, let's have a look. Let me have a look here. Oh, yeah. There we go. So equal highs. what happens with equal highs? More likely go up and reject. From here it doesn't look equal highs, but it's about an inch away. Okay, here I can see a nice clean setup. Mitigated there. Here on 34,500. Yeah, sometimes I just put a markup here. Sometimes I forget to even put price on there. You know, triple zeros are great numbers to trade off. There we go. Something here, and if you could look for a fair value gap. Not the best, somewhere around here. Let's have a look. Okay, minute 5 does look quite good, I'll be honest with you. Okay, here, right here. Yeah, I'm just getting better and better. Day by day, I am improving. So please be tuned in my vlog that is coming out. I have made it, I've just been lazy to release it. Probably this week. Okay, here, yes. It has been up. Going up actually. I'm pretty much here. So minute 5. So fair value gap. So remember, this is a time base, so you could take one at 1 o'clock, and normally I like 10 o'clock, about 10, 10, 15, maybe 11 as well. It can be fine, but it is a time based module. So these zones, especially with what they call it imbalances, ICT fair value gap, you have to look at the time and the market structure. That is really important. Normally I like to see an order block get wicked out, BOS, something like this. If it rejects, there's like order block here, and then it comes to retest and it leaves a gap and goes up, and then it breaks above and then breaks below. That is kind of like, for me, like this A plus setup. So from here, so reject order block here, break of structure here, and then another break, imbalance. So if it comes down here, so which it has been already taken out, rejects and go up, something like this, like BOS above, like from here. That's a brilliant one. It goes up, but obviously it's been going up and up. So for now, we don't know. So I'm just looking at this zone here. So it can be here. There's another order block we can see. But for now, I think that's about it really. Or US oil, I just analyze this. I don't trade this pair. It's just to trade USDCAD. It correlates with that. And that's it, folks. That's about it really today. Nothing much. I think GBPUSD, not the greatest, but we'll leave this here. So these sort of pairs I have marked up. But if you haven't subscribed to me on my YouTube channel, SEO Trader, please join. So thank you guys, and I will see you next week. Happy Mother's Day.